Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer Clash of Clans Village from iPhone to Android. Following this video you can transfer Clash of Clans Village any device. Or you are able to duplicate Village with two mobiles. It's mean you can play this game both mobiles. So let's start what we going to do with this Clash of Clans game. You can see my village with my iOS device. This is the village with Town Hall 12 Clash of Clans. However, I am going to transfer this account to Android mobile. After opening the game, find setting icon on game. Then check you Supercell ID connected or not. You can see my game already connected with Supercell ID. If your game not connected you should create an account first. It looks like this. You should create account with one of email. After creation account you will connected with Supercell account. Then you can transfer your game to any device. When you open the Supercell account, you can see my account status. It should be online. You can see your login email and change name option 2 from here. This village I am going to transfer to my other mobile. It's the Android mobile. Here, I have downloaded Clash of Clans game from Google Play Store. This is the beginner level game. Open setting. And check Supercell account status. Click on this disconnected icon. Then you can see they ask to create account or log into account. Click to log in account. Continue and type your previous email created account before. Now, you will receive a verification code to mail. Type it here. Then you can load your game. Here, I have completely transferred my Clash of Clans game to another mobile. This is the tutorial. Just comment me below after trying this. Does it work for you? Or not? Subscribe me to watch future videos. Thank you. See you again.